Hello everybody, Julian here from Euromarc to speak to you about our SA331 sanding discs. Now these sanding discs are a high quality disc perfect for stainless steel or aluminium sanding. They come with a premium aluminium oxide grain for fast cutting and a melt coat top coat to prevent clogging. They're also a film back which prevents tearing and a better sanding experience. You can get these in a Velcro back, which is great for a soft application, or a PSA sticky back if that's the type of backing pad you prefer. They come with 0 holes for a more consistent sanding experience. If you'd like to know more about these discs, feel free to get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.